You know, one of the most powerful thing in any situation is the one thing you can't even see. In this explainer, we're going to explore that exact idea, the power of your perception, all that potential, and the quiet control you have at the start of every single week.
So, take a good look at this room. It's quiet, right? Still. Now, most of us would see what's there. A sofa, a coffee table, the fact that nobody's in it. But what if the most important thing here isn't what's present, but what's possible?
And this is where things get really interesting, thanks to a concept from quantum coaching. See, this isn't just an empty room, it's what's called a field of potential. It's a space where tons of different futures, all these different outcomes, exist all at the same time, just kind of waiting for a choice to be made.
In that room, it's a perfect metaphor for the start of your week. A Monday morning is that exact same field of potential. The chaos hasn't kicked in, the wins haven't been scored, and hey, most importantly, the mistakes haven't been made yet. It's a totally clean slate.
This idea isn't just some nice thought either. It actually has roots in quantum physics. To put it simply, a system can exist in a bunch of different states at once, like a wave of possibilities, right up until the moment it's observed. The act of looking, of measuring, that's what forces one single reality to pop out from all the other potentials. It's basically waiting for you.
So here it is, the crucial point. You are the observer. As the leader of your own week, the way you decide to look at the days ahead doesn't just predict what's going to happen, it's actively shaping it. Your focus is the very thing that collapses all those possibilities into one single reality. And that means you have a choice. Path number one, if you wake up on Monday morning already looking for problems, anticipating those stressful emails, dreading the meetings, well, if you look for stress, you will absolutely find it. You've just picked that reality out of the field of potential. But what about the other path? And this really shows the power you have. If you wake up and you intentionally look for opportunities, for a chance to connect, for those little moments of breakthrough, you're not just finding them, you are literally creating them. You're pulling that reality right into existence. So how do we actually do this? It sounds big, I know, but it doesn't take a ton of effort or time. All it takes is a tiny, intentional pause, and the key number to remember is 5, just 5 minutes. Here's the game plan. It's super simple. Step 1, don't just dive into the noise. The phone, the news, the emails. Not yet. Step 2, for just 5 minutes, sit in the quiet. And step 3, in that silence, you consciously decide what reality you want to create this week. What are you going to choose to observe? You see, it all boils down to this one single, powerful instruction. You are not just a passive victim of your week. Nope. You are its main creator. The power isn't in how you react, it's in how you choose. So choose the reality you want to create. And with that simple, powerful thought, you're ready to begin. Happy Monday!